Welcome to the 68th episode of Kanga Crypto News, your go-to source for fast and trustworthy updates in the world of crypto. I am Kuba and I'm bringing you the latest and most important stories. Before we proceed, please remember that all the information in Kanga Crypto News is carefully compiled by our expert Kanga analysts using reliable sources only. Please note, however, that this is not an investment advice. New episodes of Kanga Crypto News are released every week on Friday. If you want to stay updated with the most important crucial developments in the world of crypto, subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an important update. Now, let's get started. The SEC introduced Project Crypto, aiming to modernize securities regulation for crypto trading. Under Chair Paul Atkins, the SEC will explore shifting securities markets from off-chain to on-chain environments, eliminating unnecessary intermediaries. The initiative supports tokenization and super apps, positioning the US as a global crypto leader. The announcement follows the White House Digital Assets Working Group recent recommendations, signaling comprehensive regulatory reform. Metaplanet, a public Japanese firm, has acquired an additional 463 bitcoins, valued at $53 million, boosting its total bitcoin holdings to 17,595. The company's consistent Bitcoin purchase since April 2024 underscores its firm belief in Bitcoin long-term value, despite current market volatility. With Bitcoin's price stabilizing around 115K, Metaplanet's strategy provides a proven blueprint for other companies interested in strategic crypto investments. Michael Saylor announced plans to sell $4.2 billion worth of preferred stock to finance additional Bitcoin purchases. To alleviate investor concerns about dilution, Strategy assured shareholders it won't issue common shares below 2.5 times net asset value, except for debt or dividends. Strategy, which holds $74 billion in Bitcoin, has raised $10 billion this year, solidifying its position as a significant leveraged Bitcoin proxy. Coinbase increased its Bitcoin holdings by 2.5K in Q2 and announced plans to launch tokenized US stocks and prediction markets. CEO Brian Armstrong emphasized Coinbase's commitment to diversifying offerings. Pending SEC approval, Coinbase will offer fractional stocks tradable 24/7 with lower costs and faster settlement. The firm seeks to position itself as an on-chain hub for various tradable assets, aligning with growing institutional interest in tokenization. US spot Ether ETFs experienced their largest ever single-day outflow of $465 million, ending a 20-day inflow streak. BlackRock's iShares Ethereum Trust recorded the largest outflow at $375 million. Despite ETF withdrawals, institutional demand remains robust as blockchain data indicates that institutional wallets acquired 64,000 Ethereum via over-the-counter trades. The event signals changing investor sentiment following recent highs. The SEC has clarified that certain cryptocurrency liquid staking activities do not constitute securities offering, easing regulatory uncertainty in crypto markets. The clarification defines liquid staking as digital asset staking with receipt tokens as ownership proof. SEC Chair Paul Atkins promotes clearer guidelines under Project Crypto, reflecting a more supportive regulatory environment. This move aids institutional investment, particularly in growing sectors like Solana-based ETFs, now worth approximately $67 billion in total locked value. Coinbase and PayPal have expanded their collaboration in Canada, enabling nearly 10 million Canadian PayPal users to buy and sell cryptocurrency via Coinbase using PayPal. This integration simplifies crypto transactions and enhances accessibility. PayPal recently began supporting 100 cryptocurrencies for business payments, bridging traditional finance and crypto markets. The partnership underscores both companies' roles in promoting broader crypto adoption. The Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, plans to allow immediate trading for spot crypto contracts on future exchanges. This initiative aligns with President Trump's broader digital asset strategy, coordinated with the SEC's Project Crypto. Following recommendations from Trump's crypto working group, the move aims to integrate cryptocurrencies into traditional finance, potentially attracting institutional participation. Trump's administration has actively supported crypto-friendly regulations like the Genius Act and Clarity Act, reversing previous restrictive policies. President Trump raised tariffs on Canadian goods from 25% to 35%. However, approximately 95% of Canadian exports to the US remain exempt under the existing Canada-US-Mexico agreement, the CUSMA. The tariff primarily affects smaller businesses importing non-CUSMA compliant goods, particularly those dependent on foreign components. Despite the limited scope, the increase could severely impact companies unable to quickly source alternative materials, potentially exceeding their profit margins. Invesco Galaxy has filed an application with the SEC and CBOE to list a Solana ETF, potentially providing spot market exposure to Solana. Collaborating with Galaxy Digital, the ETF would allow institutional and retail investors to gain exposure and staking rewards in Solana. Approval could significantly boost Solana's market presence, liquidity, and trading volume, mirroring previous patterns seen after Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF approvals. That's all for the latest Kanga crypto news. Did you enjoy the video? Give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to stay updated with all the latest news. As always, stay informed and stay ahead in the world of blockchain. See you next time.
We are Kanga, beyond crypto.